Well, a mother in Pueblo is demanding justice for her son. 18-year-old Eric Velasquez was killed in a crash last August.
His mother wants to know why the driver hasn't been charged. Only KRDO News Channel 13's Michelle San Miguel is finding out why.
3 teenage friends enjoying a Saturday night out. They were heading up I-25 through Pueblo when the unimaginable happened.
Sounds like a car versus train.
18-year-old Eric Velasquez was in an SUV when police say the 16-year-old male driver was speeding and lost control. Velasquez was thrown from the SUV and onto the path of an oncoming train. Eric's mom vividly remembers when she got the news.
I fell to my knees and I said, "Not my Eric. Not my baby."
His family organized a motorcycle ride over the weekend to remember Eric. He dreamed of someday owning a bike.
That's what we're here for, is justice for Eric. And we're not stopping here.
Police know who was driving the white Ford Explorer involved in the crash, but he has not been arrested.
My son is the only one who paid the consequence in this accident. My son, my family. No one else is paying the consequences for a bad choice that was made that evening.
We've learned the SUV belongs to a longtime employee of the Pueblo County Sheriff's Office. That employee's son was behind the wheel that night.
I can't help to believe, truly in my heart, the reason justice has not been served for my son is because this is due to his family's employment in the Sheriff's Department. If the shoe was on the other foot, my son would already be either under house arrest, locked up, charges against him.
Pueblo police are investigating whether the teen was drinking that night. They say they did not have enough probable cause to do a blood alcohol test on him at the scene. And since then, police say the teen has refused to talk with them.
Believe me, my investigators are extremely frustrated at what everybody perceives to be a very slow process. It really hasn't been that slow. I know for the family it's agonizingly slow.
Police say they just received some last-minute evidence and plan to hand it over to the DA's office next week.
I don't want to send a case up that would be in jeopardy of losing a case because we missed something. So I want to make sure it's complete. You know, I appreciate their patience.
As Eric's family waits for justice, there's something they want you to take away from his tragic death.
We're not promised a tomorrow. Please make sure your children buckle up. Teach them out at a young age. Please buckle up. Please buckle up.
In Pueblo, Michelle San Miguel, KRDO, News Channel 13.
And it is KRDO News Channel 13's policy not to name the juvenile involved in the crash until and if he's charged.